Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties and our unique blend of lemongrass, fennel seeds, jaggery, and green cardamom adds a delightful twist to the traditional green tea. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag or 1 tsp loose green tea leaves, 1 teaspoon dry lemongrass or you can use fresh lemongrass, 1 tsp fennel seeds, 1 or 2 small pieces of jaggery adjust to your taste, 2 or 3 green cardamom pods. Method: prepare the green tea base. In a teapot, place a teaspoon of loose green tea leaves. Add 1 teaspoon lemongrass pieces to the teapot. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to the teapot. Fennel seeds not only add a subtle licorice-like flavor, but also promote digestion and reduce bloating. To sweeten the tea naturally, add 1-2 small pieces of jaggery. Adjust the amount according to your taste preferences. Jaggery is a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Crush 2-3 green cardamom pods slightly to release their aromatic oils. Add them to the teapot for a touch of exotic flavor. Add about 2 cups of hot water to the teapot. Let it steep for 2 hours. After 2 hours, boil it for 5 minutes. Using a fine mesh strainer, pour the slimming green tea into a serving cup to remove any solids. Your refreshing and aromatic slimming green tea is ready to enjoy. This tea is not only a great way to boost your metabolism but also a delightful treat for your taste buds. Enjoy it hot or cold, and make it a part of your daily routine to support your health and well-being.